Hello everyone, welcome back again to one more video, and today we are going to continue. Let me grab, where is it? You can see the M3 Lee. Okay, so you are going to put the decals and see how the correct way to put the decals on this. Okay, so it's very easy, and now I'm going to talk about the varnish. Okay, before we put the decals, we must use gloss varnish. Okay, let's start putting the varnish. The first coat it's all over, and you see I'm using my table, my round table. And of course the first layer of the varnish will protect all the paint job we are doing, and it's going to protect for the weathering. Okay, we need something to protect it. Nice. So we are going to have here some marks of the varnish. Of course, you can see here on the back of the turrets, and here on the front we got here some marks, but don't worry, because this with another the other coats of the varnish, it's going all to disappear. So don't enter in stress, because this is going to be out really nice. Okay, so don't worry. The way we do it. Okay, so I got this for now. I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to grab my decal adapter, okay, solution. So this makes the decals adapt to the surface. If it is rough, it is flat, okay, you have a lot of recess, and yes, on other projects you are going to see. Oh, it's sliding. Okay, so let's just put a little more here, and let's put the first one. Okay, now this solution, it's very strong, so if you have problems moving this, you just put a little water there. Okay, so now I just press a little, because I want this to slide better. Okay, nice. Now solution on the top. And now we correct. But for this kind of jobs, I prefer this one. Okay, the microsol, it's really good when you have a very difficult surface to put the decals. Okay, it's the Holy Mary for the decals, but for almost 90% of the decals I just use the AK one. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. Any questions, guys, continue to send me on the Patreon, on the WhatsApp, on Facebook. But guys, remember, put a like on Patreon, because I want to see the interaction of all you guys. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I catch you up on the next video. Bye guys.